Hello friends, very good morning. I hope all you are doing well. Guys, today we will discuss about the creation of policies in IAM in AWS Cloud interviews questions. So let's start the session without time wasting. So this is the question number one. How can you create IAM policies in AWS Cloud? Guys, very important questions. From this interviewer wants to know whether you have experience of creation of policies or not. So in this guys, there are certain questions involved. For example, where we have to log in for creation of a policy. So guys, AWS Management Console, AWS CLI, or AWS API, right? So these are the these are the three consoles from where we have to log in first, and then we can create in particularly three ways for policies creation, right? So number one option is our JSON. Guys, JSON is the JavaScript object notation. Those candidates who are very good in Java scripting, so those candidates can use the JSON method for creation of policies. So what are the steps we have to follow for a JSON? So number one is open AWS console. Yes, we can also use the AWS CLI or AWS API. So after logging in this, choose policies from the left side pane, and number three is in policies editor section, select JSON option and create syntax, right? And then save and submit. So this is the process from JSON side. We can create the policies. Second option, we have visual editor. So guys, visual editor means this is a kind of document procedures already saved in AWS client. And we have those candidates who are not so good in Java syntax, so they can use these methods or import the method which we will discuss in the next particularly slide. So guys, AWS visual editor guider guides you step by step about the policies creation and granting permissions like a policy document. So this is the method from where we can create the policies from visual editor. Guys, what are the steps? So these are the steps, like open AWS management console, right? Choose policies from the left side pane, and in policies editor, select the visual editor and follow step by step whatever are the guidance provided by standard operation procedure document, which is already saved in AWS, particularly cloud. Okay, third is the import option. Guys, import means, for example, you have already have a policies in another place which is saved somewhere. So you can import this. Yes, you can import these policies and save your time, and you can save such policies in IAM AWS. Next question is, have you any idea of the top clients of cloud? So guys, this is general questions which may not be asked in an interview, but interviewer actually wants to know whether you have knowledge what is going your around. So the highest payable to cloud provider is Netflix. Second is FB, that is our Facebook, right? Third one is LinkedIn. Next one is Twitch, and then is Baidu. So these are the certain clients who is payable the highest amount to the particularly clouds. Yes, this is the scenario based questions, guys. For example, you are working in an organization, means your employees data already saved in organization's database. So do we have to create separate cloud ID during the onboarding or onboarding? Because I don't want to create cloud ID, because more number of IDs you have can create account lock possibility, right? So here your manager is asking that I don't want to create the more numbers of IDs after onboarding, because more number of IDs we have, that means we have more chances of a account lock, right? So guys, here cloud provides you an option called identity federation, right? Identity federation is a trust between two organizations in which we can use the identity of your organization to the particularly cloud. So guys, from here SPOC must share the trust certificate to cloud, and from there cloud starts accepting your organization's ID, and we don't have to create the separate IDs for the particular cloud. So guys, here you have to remember the identity federation. As I told uh, earlier, guys, identity federation is a trust certification between cloud and your organization. You can use whatever your organization have your IDs, right? You can import all those IDs in your cloud. So this is a benefit of identity federation. Yes, next question is what is STS in cloud? Guys, STS is a security token service. This token is provided by the client for their guest users like OEM to log in as a temporary basis in cloud. Guys, as we know that in an organization we have n numbers of vendors, right? For example, you I mean have some problem in your applications and OEM have to log in on temporary basis, right? So guys, STS is a token provided from your organization to the client, to the guest user to log in the particular cloud. So by security token service, he or she or OEM can able to log in the cloud softwares with the help of security token services. So guys, one more thing here, the numbers of hours consumed by the guest is billable to the to the organization because he or she because organization allowed from their behalf, right? So the numbers of hours consumed by the guest users, right, organization have to pay the amount for the same. So guys, thank you for watching. In next session we will discuss about more IM interviews questions. Guys, if you have any queries regarding your interviews journey, let me know, or you can comment your I mean queries in my comment box. I will try to provide you the best appropriate answers in short span of time. Okay, thank you so much.